Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft error. Your Java runtime is incompatible. If you want to fix this error, it's easy. Click here, type background apps, click on it, and then make sure to disable this option, or you can just disable Minecraft launcher, and that's it. Then close it, and now open File Explorer and type here percent up data percent. Click enter. You will find your Minecraft launcher. Now you need to replace those two folders into your desktop, and go back and delete this folder. After that, don't close this folder, and open Minecraft launcher. Now just log into your account, and then once you're here, all you have to do just go back here to this folder and replace those two files again to Minecraft folder, and that's it. Now your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.